Sarepta Therapeutics has been on a tear this year. The stock is up more than 150%, one of the best performing stocks on the NASDAQ. And here to talk about what is next for that company, our own Meg Terrell joining us with Sarepta Therapeutics CEO Doug Ingram. Welcome to you both. Meg, take it away.
Thanks, Sarah, and Doug, thanks for being here.
Oh, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
So one of the main drivers of why your stock is up so much this year is, of course, your data update in June for your gene therapy program in Duchenne muscular dystrophy, showing some really remarkable results in just a few patients. That was more recently put on a clinical hold by the FDA. Can you give us an update about where that program stands now?
Sure. So to your point, there's a couple of things we need to do this year. We've dosed in 3 patients, as you note. We've had extraordinary early results. We need to dose more children. We are on clinical hold in part because of a manufacturing issue with a supplier. We've fully responded to the FDA. From our perspective, our goal and belief is we'll be off clinical hold very soon, and it shouldn't affect the timing of the things we're going to do. The real significant things that we need to do right now is get in front of the FDA about our clinical program itself and the pathway to get to the community. We want to do that in the next 60 days or so, if we can. And then we want to be in a position to start dosing children in hopefully what will be our registration trial or approval trial, if it works, by the end of this year. And we have a big ambition to potentially be to the community within 2 years thereafter.
What kind of messaging are you getting from the FDA as to how amenable they are to taking that meeting pretty soon? What kind of tone are you feeling from the agency?
Well, there's 2 things. First, I won't know what their tone is until we get in front of them, specifically to us, and we'll do that very soon. I will say tone generally from the FDA has been brilliant and very innovative. So back in July, the FDA, under Dr. Gottlieb, issued guidance on gene therapy and rare disease that showed a lot of willingness to be innovative about how to bring these gene therapy programs to communities and help children. And one of the significant issues in that guidance is that that manufacturers like Sarepta are told that we really need to think about our very first trials as potential approval trials and build them that way, which frankly is brilliant because it's consistent with our goal.
Right. And there's also competition in this space, of course, from Pfizer and Solid Bio, and it looks like you guys are out front right now, but how do you look at the competitors?
Competition is wonderful. Everyone says it. It's actually true. Thankfully, I don't have the ability to stop it, so it makes us better. We are in the lead, but there are other credible programs behind us, and if we can't work fast with a sense of urgency, someone else will do it, and the community would benefit from that. So we're in the lead right now. We think we have an elegant program. We have great results so far, early days, and our goal is to frankly be fueled by competition to hopefully ensure that we have the most elegant program and we're in the lead and that we can get to this community as fast as possible.